Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C55 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the app section. So let's tap. Then let's tap on Manage Apps, which should be on the second position, and 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset Up Preferences, and as you can see, your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so among others, disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in this POCO device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.